Quadlock has been releasing a couple new products, which I think is actually pretty cool. And this is one of them because I reached out to them to see if we could get a hold of it because, well, I like to use action cams and I like to use action cams on motorcycles. And I thought this would be very cool, especially since I use a lot of Quadlock things. Today we got their new suction mount. This is their suction base. We got their dual pivot medium arm, and we got their action adapter. You guys can see the action adapter right here. Now what's cool about the action adapter, even by itself, this is it all together. You guys can see it here, Quadlock, is that this little adapter, this guy here, basically screws into the ball and allows you to put an action cam, anything with like that GoPro style mount on there. A couple things. First off, this really is on there quite good. It really is a well-built suction mount. Secondly is that this piece here by itself, and I think this piece, I think Canadian goes for about $25. This piece here, you could probably buy it if you already have a bunch of Quadlock gear already, because you could just pull the adapter that you would usually use to attach your phone, and you could attach an action cam. So that's kind of nice. What I wanted to do was actually go through the pieces so that you guys could see them and show you how they all go together. That's what's going to happen right now. This is the suction base. So this is the primary part. And again, I think for a lot of us, if we had some of the other pieces and maybe we're moving bikes or we decide that we no longer want it mounted however it's mounted, we can buy this and just kind of rehook all the other arms and all that kind of stuff to this. Anyways, this is an empty box. You are going to get a little warranty pamphlet in there. And of course, you are going to get the suction mount. This is the suction mount. A few things, I'll kind of show you this in a minute. Comes with this little sticky pad. Now, I'm guessing if you wanted to, whenever you were not using this, you could keep this pad and just kind of reapply it so that it helps keep dust off it. Other than that, you know, it's got a really nice lock. It's a firm lock, which I really like. And this, of course, for anybody that's used Quadlock stuff in the past, this is that kind of locking mechanism. So it kind of sticks on there. Kind of put that off to the side. This then is their dual pivot medium. Now it comes in a medium. Medium is the length. They have a medium one. They have a shorter version, I believe, depending on your needs and where you're going to place this. Maybe you want a long one. Maybe you want a shorter one. You know, really up to you. No right answer to this. This comes out, and there's a couple pieces in here, so make sure you grab everything out of it. So that is empty. Again, you are going to have a warranty, so that's just going over there. Inside here, you will have a screw, so make sure you don't lose that. And you will have an Allen key, and there's also something down at the bottom here. When I was putting together the first one, I almost threw this part out, so just realize that. There is a twisty knob here. This piece here can only go on one way, and you'll actually notice that this part has these grooves in it, and this one is almost like the opposite. This one is more like that. So this one can stick on there, and it kind of locks it into place so that when it's tight, it doesn't shift. My thought was at first was this screw, of course, was attaching to these two. And I was like, I wonder how I get access to it. So I was like, maybe I go through the bottom, which you don't. So don't do that. This is where this screw or this ball head has to come off. So we're going to loosen this. That's where this comes in handy as well. So depending on if this is going to be something that you have a little bit more permanently mounted. So if you have it permanently mounted or you have it on your bike somewhere that you're like, no, I'm going to keep it here and I don't want anybody to really be able to just unscrew it, then I would just kind of use this screw and put it in here, use an Allen key to tighten it, and you're good to go. But if you want to be able to move this around and tighten it and be able to re-angle it and all this, this is probably more useful. So you would put this one in here to be able to tighten it and loosen it. So we've got it pretty loose, and because of that, we can pull this ball out. And easily now, this screw goes in the top, like so. That goes in there. We just screw that in, use the Allen key, and this becomes one nice piece. There we go, nice and snug. And then we take this piece again, we just kind of slide that back on there and tighten this up, and we are ready to go. Again, this piece here, I would make sure that you keep, because if you are someone that wants to maybe have these mounted on your bike and again, have them in a position that's a little bit more permanent so that somebody just can't come up and twist these and take this with them, and then this at least requires an Allen key. So I would keep those in a box or something off to the side. But there we go. Last but not least, the way that we get this to physically attach to our action cam. And again, this piece here, you and I can buy on its own. So if you have like a different quad lock mount that you want to use, again, a couple different screws or one screw and an Allen key. You're going to have your warranty in there again. That one's there, that one's there. And that's simply the piece. Yes. This same idea. You're just going to mount it up top here. Screw in the top. Get it, just start the threading. This just goes in here. And you're ready to go, right? Just make sure everything's locked in nice and tight. Very good. And now, just like our old one, we're ready to go. I think like these for me are going to be awesome. I'm really excited to try these. Couple things. You could use them in the car. You could use them wherever. Like if you're someone who wants to do some vlogging while you're in the car, you can just put your action cam up there and stick, boom. When you're done, undo it, off you go. Very cool. If I had, well, let's just put it here, right? Like that's not coming off. Flat. I would think if you had this on like a car hood or the inside of a windshield, or my guess would be certain parts of your, like your gas tank on your motorcycle, then you could stick this there and it would work really well. You just want to make sure it's nice and flat so that there's no curvature in there so it can stick properly. I'm just wondering, is this flat? No, not big enough. Aha, I have a tablet. Okie dokie, ready? Stick, down, right, like, I don't want to pop the glass off, see, I'm tearing this apart. But that's showing how well it sticks once you have that. So I would think if you had this on your windshield, or if you had this on like the inside of your windscreen on your motorcycle or something like that, that would stick really well. I don't think that's coming off. So I think that would work very good. Do that. Yeah. Okay. So that works good. This is the quad lock suction mount. I think it's a win. And they sent me these just because if you are someone that has the Meg cases on for their iPhone, quad lock cases, they have some extra colors. So there's a purple now and a yellow. So I may have to try the purple because my phone's purple. That's nice. Yes. All right, guys. Quad lock. You gotta love them, right? Gotta love the quad lock gear. All right, I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested, but I'm gonna definitely be testing these. Not even locked. I'm gonna be testing these this spring when riding season starts. All right, links down below, and I'm out. See you guys next video. Later.